I regret that my mic was off, but very nice price delivery here. I don't know what should I do so that my mic doesn't go off. Alright, so there was very nice price delivery here, as you can see in this recording. So this was a nice one. We entered just this fair value gap retest. And now let's wait for this session. We are 3 hours behind it. We can fast forward. Whoa, what's this move? Crazy move. 3. Right, we're near there, so you can go to the 1 minute now and see how the candles print. So you can see the first fair value gap was offered. We have an order block reaction here, and the fair value gap being respected. So let's see if the first fair value gap is reacted to. Do we drop into it? Yes, we do. Indeed. Here, stop loss. Here, take profit. Here. Right. And now let's just let it play. Okay, so stop loss hit. You can also save this one. So what was wrong on this trade? First of all, we can see that there wasn't anything wrong in particular, because I don't know, it's just market circumstances. So yeah, this one doesn't work out. So now it's 11. Can go to the next session in an hour or 2 or 3. So yeah, now we can push forward. So for the next silver bullet session, you can see we are retesting the first gap presented. But I'm backtesting this session to see which one will offer me a higher win rate. I think I'll also be keeping the times I took the trade so that I know which one I have to use. So don't mind me backtesting all the silver bullet sessions. So we push. You can see how the wicks are respecting the gap. Now PA is starting to get messy. I think it's because the session is over. I mean, you shouldn't hold your trades after 16 right here. If you haven't got filled right here, then that's on you. So let's see what happens. Does it hit? It should get filled right here, but by 16 we should close the trade if it hasn't hit TP already. So we should close somewhere here, 16, giving us a 1 to 1.4, because if the trade hasn't hit TP by 4, then you're trading out of the session, and trading out of the session means more risky sessions are on the way. So now let's continue with the next silver blade session, which is which will be on Thursday, and it is in 4 hours. Yeah, here we add 3. 1, 2, 3. The 1 minute. Have an important low here. Shift in structure. Created a fair value gap. Did we retest it? It's left for us to know. Okay, just drop into it and then we'll be ready to enter. Okay, that's our signal, the signal we wanted right here, and Vitality 1 to 2. Wow, this is nice. This is nice, but you can see most of the just according to the data gathered in this session, between 3 to 4 there is good price action, and on these pairs that deal with the London session, like the euro dollar, the pound dollar, the euro GBP, they provide price action that looks clean. So this was a good trade too, and the good thing is that they don't take long, from just 20 minutes you're in and out. So you can save this one as well for the journal. Let's wait for the next stabilization, which is in 6 hours. It's 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. So sorry, I forgot to change it to the 1 minute. But you can see the first gap that was presented. I mean, we changed it at the right time. The first gap that was presented was this one, which means you can have a sell here, take profit, stop loss. Where is the stop loss? Here. Let's just watch it play. We don't need to stay here. So stop loss gets hit, and this is another trade lost. But I mean, over the long run, as long as you're profitable, this doesn't matter. So let's look for the next session now, which will be right here. So it will be in 2 hours. 1 and 2. Let's go. So what do you see here? You can see something, a high taken out, sweep, we drop. Where is the recent low? Somewhere here. We shift. So do we retest the fair value gap? No, we don't. We just retest the recent one, which means we don't get filled. So let's wait for the next one. Next overblade session in 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Looks for 1 minute. So first fair value gap was created, and we tested it right away. So we can sell it right here, take stop loss, TP, but this is a really big one. Wow, this Friday was awesome. Nice Friday, man. Nice Friday. This is nice. So also save this for the journal. I'm liking these backtesting sessions for real. So this is really nice, and if you hold the trade, you can even reach somewhere here. Target giving you 1 to 3. I mean, clean one. These are really clean one. So I think we downloaded it, didn't we? Of course we did. Sure. Right, so this was really nice. You can see it's still in the time window, 3 to 4. Oh my god. Alright, so let's look for another trade. I think today's session will be cut short to be like maybe some 20 minutes or so. So next session is in 6 hours, so it's 1, 2. Just wait. Whoa, this was a crazy move. a very big sweep here and the shift. So we need to retest this gap, don't we? Let's see what the price says about it. Well, yeah, it surely has to. So any gap presented, only this one at the open. So we're waiting for it. Waiting. Yeah, we're done. We're done for the day. We can't wait for that. Ain't gonna wait. Just follow the rules. If it's not in the time zone, then get off the chest, man. Touch the grass. Ooh, all right. So next session, Friday. It's in 2 hours. Sorry. Alright. Oh, sorry. 1 minute. Boop, 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 boop. Anything? So because in this session the London session isn't in play or has ended a little bit, even earlier in the day, this means that this entry has a really low probability of working out. You see, didn't give us an entry at all. It did not provide an entry. Yeah, so I'll keep on backtesting and keep on providing updates. We apologize for the mic, which was muted in the first 7 minutes because when I'm doing the trade view I didn't want any noises, but turns out I will be leaving the mic on until I die. I was about to say until I stop trading, but I think I will stop when I die. So stay safe and keep grinding. Peace.